Hi, I'm Greg from gregsbasicelectronics.com, and I just wanted to tell everybody that my new course, my new home study mini course on basic electronics, the hands-on approach, is now available. I've been teaching electronics, been involved in electronics, since the vacuum tube era. And over the years, I've discovered there's really two ways to teach electronics. There's the stodgy, old, boring way, and there's my new hands-on approach, meat and potatoes way, as I call it. I can show you methods and ways that you can get your mind around these concepts quickly and easily. I use a laid-back, easy-going, no-pressure approach on learning. I break it down into small bits and pieces, and you learn by experience, hands-on. It's so important to have hands-on experience that most people don't get. And as you go through my course, you're going to find yourself saying over and over again, "Oh wow, I get it. I see how that works." And one of the things that makes people hesitant to learn electronics is the math. But I've worked on that too. I have simplified the math down to the point where you can actually do it in your head or on a simple calculator. I've made it that easy. So if this sounds like something you might be interested in, continue reading on down the page and see if this really isn't the exact basic electronics home study mini course that you're looking for. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.